Lift that ass up. And don't you do it no more. Got him.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to TamzTable. So excited to have each one of you at TamzTable. So pull up a chair and take a seat and ring the bell for VIP. A brand new video's coming up now at TamzTable.
What's up, everybody, and welcome to TamzTable. Y'all, I'm so excited to have y'all here with me today. To all of my VIPs that have subscribed and you rung that notification bell, thank you so much for being faithful and sticking around and rocking with me. And to all of my visitors, y'all are welcome. Pull up a chair because today we have a special treat. I've been waiting on this all week. Korean fried chicken. That's what's in this here box. I'm gonna pull it out for y'all. I got some chicken egg rolls that I'm dipping this chum sauce. I'll tell you about chum sauce. If you've been following me at TamzTable, you know about chum sauce. You've seen this sauce before. And I got some black bean noodles. I'm trying them again. Shout out to TamaraFaye. She gave me a different brand to try than the ones before. She said these have a little kick to them. So I'm gonna put the sauce on them and we gonna get to grubbing. I already blessed my food off camera. Yes, I already blessed my food off camera. Why? Because I ate a piece of chicken. I'm sorry, I cheated y'all. Let me put my chicken out. Ooh, I'm hungry. I got me a bone box, bone tray. Oh, y'all look at this chicken. Korean fried chicken. Y'all had to fight through the ATL traffic to get home. And still, of course, had to put it in the air fryer. Because Chung Man Fried Chicken, if you know, you know. Chung Man Fried Chicken is down by Georgia Tech. And I don't live nowhere near Georgia Tech. Look at that box. Oh, I saw a net. Hold on. Before I take a bite, let me show y'all. Because I saw him fly. I got some hot-ish for him. Y'all, this is a bug zapper. And that little flax water that I had last time when I was waving and cracking and wasn't hitting it. You turn this thing on, it's a little light, LED light come on. And you turn that master switch on. And that light come. And you press this side button. Yeah, it's a lot because this thing shocked the shit out you. Excuse me. It has shocked the hell out you. Shock you. So all I got to do is tap the net and he going on the kingdom come. But we gonna hope he don't come back around. But I did see something out of the side. All right, let me go and turn this off. But it's within arm's reach. It's within arm's reach. All right. Yeah, so my Korean fried chicken. I asked for all flats. They did the best they could. Yo, they fried this chicken. And then they doused it in this red pepper sauce. And then they put it in the oven. And it's so sticky and crispy. And it's so good. I couldn't resist. I cheated. I ate a piece off camera. And the Lord blesses your food. In Jesus' name, amen. It's so good. Oh, God. If you got Korean fried chicken in your city, get you some. And don't get it plain. Get it with the sauce. I can't get it any fast enough. They got a bunch of different kind of sauces. They got curry sauce. They got one sauce that's super, super hot. This is hot, but it's called medium. And then they have the red hot one. I was like, nah, I'm trying to enjoy it. I'm my bones right. Now we're gonna get to the noodles, y'all. Let me use this box. Y'all know when chicken good, it come in an old greasy box. Y'all know it's good. And everybody was going in there. Everybody. Going in there and get some of this chicken. All right, let's get to the noodles, y'all. Again, shout out to China Marie, who suggested these noodles. I hope that they are good. The last noodles that I had that were black bean actually had beans in them. And these noodles do not come with a sauce packet that has actual beans. I don't mess around. Definitely gonna need this pack. I hope they good. I hope they good. Y'all pray that they good. Let me smell it. Smell all right. Ooh, smells spicy. Whoa, well, she did say I had a kick because the other ones didn't have a kick at all. And then it comes with some kind of seasoning packet. I don't know if I want to try this. Oh, it's vegetables. Dried vegetables. With peas, onions, and carrying on. I'm just going to use one of them packs, y'all. And we're going to grab what? A fork. I ain't messing around. Let's get this stirred up. Oh, here we go. Y'all see they still hot. Okay, now we got to get it going. Let's get it going. Come on. Again, they looking like a bowl of earthworms. Maybe I ain't cut out for these kind of noodles. Maybe I just like the other ones. You know the hot butter corn noodles? I think I'm gonna go back to them. Them Jones was fire. And you know what I'm gonna add? I'm gonna add one more thing. Be right back. Okay, here we go, y'all. Now it's complete. I got me a hard-boiled egg, and I got me some of this garlic pepper. What y'all know about this? Garlic pepper on a hard-boiled egg. Shout out to Molly for turning me on to this. She be turning me on to so much. Who is Molly? One of my clients. Okay. I'm gonna eat the egg before I try the noodles. Child. Woo! I'm stalling. All right, here we go. Black bean noodles one more time here at TamzTable. Doggone shot of you. Oh yeah. They hot. Where my napkins? They hot. But they good. Yeah, these better. They way better. Oh yeah. My God. Woo! Y'all just saying pick up the chopsticks? No. They hot. They hot. But that's what the other noodles needed. The other noodles were sweet. I needed some heat. All right, that's hot. That's hot. Let me get an egg, cool my mouth off. Whoa. Y'all, this stuff is hard to find. So if you find it, get you 2 of them or 3. It's so good. Garlic pepper by Lowry's. McCormick got it too. They send it to the moon. All right. Let's get to what's featured. Chám sauce. Y'all, this sauce is amazing. It goes well on seafood, chicken, steak, tacos, sushi, and egg rolls. It goes well on everything. And I also have a discount code. So if you'd like to order this sauce, upon checkout, promo code TamzTable, TamzTable. Again, promo code to save 5% at checkout is TamzTable. Get you some of this sauce. This is the medium. And they also have a mini 4-ounce jar as well. I'm not sure what flavor it is. I'm going to assume they just went on down the middle of the road and did medium. But you don't get an option in the flavor of the sauce when it comes to the baby one. The baby. Ooh, let me stop. I don't even want to bring up the baby. Child. Ooh, we done heard his name so much. Mmm. Oh my God. It's chum sauce. An egg roll. Let me eat all some. Ooh. Take a bite. Y'all, I am an affiliate of chum sauce. My refrigerator is full of chum sauce. They keep me stocked with chum sauce. And I ain't mad. It's good. It's so good. How was y'all day today? Did I ask y'all that? How was y'all day? I ain't showed y'all where I got the doggone drink. Hold on. I got some ice cold water. Ice cold. I have to cool my mouth down. That medium is hot. They also have a mild though. But this is definitely medium. Because it's like, woo. Light my taste buds up. Wow. Woo. Oh. All right. I got too much goodness up here. Ooh. A small flat. Listen. Not a big flat. A small flat. A small flat can rock my world. Ooh. There's so much flavor. And small pieces of chicken. This is gonna be ASMR. As hungry as I was too. Shout out to Jane Shu, who hooked me up with the almost all flats. I think it's like 2 drums. That ain't her name. Her name ain't even Jane Shu, child. Why I call her Jane Shu? Shout out to the lady at the counter. Thank you, nice lady. Chung Man chicken. Or CM chicken. Or any kind of Korean fried, Korean inspired chicken. Y'all want the drum? Here you go. And it's another drum back here. They gave me 2. I don't really care for the drum. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it, but I don't really care for it. Oh, no, I heard a noise, and I ain't gonna say nothing. Y'all said y'all can't hear it. Y'all can't hear that? I don't know how you don't hear it. But the last time I did a video here, I went out and asked them to be quiet, and they respect me. Hold on. All right, y'all. Precious little lamb. He ain't got nobody to play with today. He's sitting on the stairs watching his YouTube videos and, ooh, ah, oh yeah. I need just like 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes. I promise you can come back, make as much noise as you want. It's all right, because guess what? My house is coming. Y'all know when I close my eyes, when I eat, I'm having an experience with the food. If my eyes is closed when I'm eating, I'm having an experience with the food. Oh, I know we well into the video. But if you don't like sucking, smacking, gulping, burping, eating sounds in general, you may be excused from TamzTable. And I love you still. I do. And I appreciate you thus far. But you can be excused. You can be excused. Okay. I ain't gonna be offended. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead, sir. Go on about your business.
Go on about your business. Go on about your business.
Go on about your business. Let's get the rest of the egg roll. Child, I made too many of these things. Was it? I thought that was a net. I don't want to have to zap them. I don't want to have to send them to meet Jesus, but I will. And y'all, oh my God, so good. We're gonna get back to the noodles. I'm just taking my time with all this goodness. This little meal right here. This little meal right here. And why I make so many noodles? I make 2 packs. Baby. These things, the bowl. Actually, how I'm looking at the thing, the monitor, it look way bigger than it is and ain't that big. Y'all, I have learned how to make food look big at TamzTable. I have learned from the best of them. Cause of AB. Flavors by Dang Dash. How y'all put that food right up in that thing? Can be. It can be. I'm learning about angles and situations. Ooh, hold on. Listen. Y'all don't forget. Go and get you some chum sauce. We're going to put it down because I need the arm room to get at these noodles. I need to get at these noodles. They done got hotter since a few minutes ago. Wait a minute now. I was enjoying them. Wait. Baby, these things is burning my lips and fogging up my glasses. Woo! Maybe they too hot for me. Maybe, okay. So maybe what I'll do is half of the sauce pack. Yeah. Because it's chopping me in the back of my throat. Maybe half the sauce pack. Ooh, y'all, them noodles is a little too spicy. Y'all, I forgot. I got some pickled radish. Now this cools off the heat from the chicken. And it's sweet. Kind of like coleslaw. It tastes so good. I just gotta cool my mouth off. And I also got some ranch here for the chicken. Whew! I don't think I can do these noodles. I don't know. I'm gonna try. One more bite. One more bite. Wow. Mmm. 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 Man, hit the back of my throat. Yeah, I don't think these is for me. Let me get my little egg out of there. Ooh. Mmm. Mm-mm. Mmm. Yeah. I think I'm gonna leave them alone. Mmm. I'm gonna give me some chicken on. Mmm. Dip my chicken in this ranch. Wingstop ranch. After a while, the heat from all this stuff started piling up on my throat. And the heat from this chum sauce. All this stuff is hot. Give me an icy to cool down. Oh. Y'all, I was just watching a story on YouTube with the celebrity news stories. Child. Robin, Rihanna, Fenty. Of Fenty Beauty. That woman is worth $1.7 million. Of which 1.4 billion is Fenty Beauty. And she owns a whopping 50% of the company. What? Boy, that beauty business, that beauty industry, man, I need to get into it. Something. Film, TV, but not even that. Beauty. Child, she never got to sing the song again. She ain't never got to open up her mouth and purr her lips and sing a song again. So if you waiting on an album from Rihanna, do not hold your breath. I said billion. 1.7 billion. So that 0.7 is $700 million. Not 700,000, 700 million. Oh, come on. Hold on. Let me dry my hands off. Because I saw that. Y'all might get to see a, come on. I'm going to show away. Yeah, but back to what I was saying, child. She ain't never got to sing no more. Not if she don't want to. And I think that's what a lot of artists' goals are. When they want to get a record contract and start doing shows and they realize how much work it is singing and dancing on that stage. Like Eddie Kane said, you ain't out there singing and dancing every night. You don't do nothing but get paid. But yeah, I think their goal is once they sign that record contract is to come off the stage. They want to be famous. Their passion is entertaining others, but it's work. And it's a lot of pressure on you. You have to entertain a crowd, make them happy, make them dance to the music. That's a lot. Got a pressing tour schedule. Demanding. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, y'all hit? Lift that ass up. And don't you do it no more. Got him. Woo! Now I'm happy. I can end the video now. I done got him. So congratulations to Miss Robin Fenty. She was smart. She got her product. Y'all, I enjoy my Korean fried chicken. I was looking forward to this. I can't even talk. I'm looking forward to this all week long. And it did not disappoint. At all. It's so good. I'm gonna eat every flat that was in that box before I end this video. Every flat. Baby. This is a drum. And that's the drum. Ain't interested. Am I gonna eat it? Yeah, probably later. But this right here, all that satisfies my soul. So, I need to put out a product. I should put out some lip gloss, some eyebrow pencil, some shades, some glasses. I don't want to do a butter sauce. Too many people are doing butter sauces. Y'all, they copy off each other. They're using the same butter jars as the other people. It is too much. I ain't being shady. I'm being real. It's too much. I'm not interested in doing any kind of butter sauce. No. I got my own. TamzTable butter sauce. But I'm not putting it on the market. I'm not interested. Could my opinion change in the future? Possibly. Will it? Probably not. It's just too saturated. It's too many people doing it. People I ain't even heard before. Talking about, I got a butter sauce. Let me send it to you. I'm like, who are you? I got a seasoning. Damn. Let me send it to you. Sir, who are you? But I gotta do something. I gotta get me a product. Y'all help me decide. Drop down in the comments and tell me what you think or what you would like to see me promote or brand from TamzTable. What y'all want to see? I want to see some water bottles. TamzTable water bottle. That's a good idea though. This ain't the only company that can do it. I can do this too. Oh, that's how you gotta think, y'all. I would tear these 2 egg rolls up. That I'm sure ain't touching these noodles. And some pickle rice. Don't forget, y'all. Chám sauce to save 5% at checkout. TAMZTABLE. That's TAMZTABLE. If this has been your first time here at TamzTable, I would love for you to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That's exactly how you become VIP. And you'll know when it's time to come and eat with me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it out. My name is TammaraFaye, and I would love for you all to have a blessed and prosperous day. Bye. Give me some.